We've upgraded our handles at SKB. I want to show you our old handle and how it works and how the new one works. The old handle, it slide down to get it back up. And now the new handle that we have that fits our cases, it's a one push button, so it's really easy to get up and down. And then it's just Phillips screws that you replace to get it done. If you have any cases with old handles, you can upgrade to our new handles. The model number on it is a 3i-HD90-PHK. All right, so we're just replacing the handle to show you how quick and easy it is. It's just Phillips screws that come out. How to replace the back slide-up handle on an SKB case.